Do this symbolic spiritual direction for your whole family, and God will remember you all. God decided to remember Noah. It's not just about Noah, it's the entire household. That was why all of them was restored from the boat and then settled back in their household, and the rain stopped. Item you need is a jar like this, breakable jar. I've told you that vessels are not just vessels. I made a video about that. That vessels are for manifestation. They are powerful because actually before Jesus can manifest wine, he needed an empty vessel which water was filled into, and that water was there. He kind of converted to wine. Likewise, when Elisha wanted to help the widow to pay his debt, vessels was brought, and then the oil was touched into that vessel, and it generates an amount of oil that was able to be sold and made money. Likewise, you can actually use an empty vessel to manifest what you want. So you get an empty bottle that have a cover like this, and then get a plain piece of paper, write your name and all the names of your household, and put it inside that particular bottle. As you write each person's name, you can write a specific intention you want to manifest, maybe financial breakthrough, marital breakthrough, getting a visa, a kind of maybe infertility terminated, depending. And then when you have written that name, get original farm-made honey before you put it, please, and use your right middle finger to get that honey and begin to rub honey on the entire names. You begin to pray, oh Lord, remember my household for protection, healing, upliftment, long life, marriage, favor, freedom from battles from this day. Let the ark of our destiny rest on dry ground. No more flood. No more flood of backwardness, disappointment, failure at the age of breakthrough, and so on and so forth. And then you now drop it into the can. The next thing you are going to get is sea salt or any salt you have. It can be kitchen salt anyway. You put 3 spoons of salt into it, because believe me, salt is not ordinary. It was only salt that Elijah put on that land that was unproductive, and it become productive. And where your name goes matters a lot. People that goes to native doctor, evil people to do you evil, actually uses your name. So you now pour salt into that mystery and declare God, the creator of the universe, that as salt is uncountable, so shall the blessings of my family. As salt cannot die, salt cannot decay. No member of this family we die, we are protected, we are preserved. The next thing you do is you put 7 cloves of garlic inside it, because garlic will help to remove all negative energy as well as break every witchcraft hand in your family. There is something about garlic. If not, Israelites we will not be ready to go back to Egypt when they remember cucumber, onions, garlic, and other goodies they are eating, because garlic has powerful healing energy. Use that opportunity to pray for those that are sick or having challenges, that God will heal them. You pour that 7 cloves of garlic into the mixture, and then pour water, because water itself is an energy. You now pray that as I'm pouring this water, as water is represent life, that I declare life upon every member of this household, life in their getting of visa, life in their a kind of marriages, life in the a kind of fruit of their body, everything that concerns them, I speak life into it. You pour water and fill it, and declare that as this water fill this bottle, so shall their blessings be overflow in this particular